Folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, so a choppy day today. We were stuck between some positive levels for most of the day and a dark pool as well, and we had that bearish flow, but it just wasn't strong enough to give us a good full drop day where we continued on down. Convergence back and forth as we went. We did finish with a small red DEX, jumping into our whale targets and our customer sentiment. Customers still don't know what they're doing. They're neutral at the moment, not participating at all. So we'll see how that goes. Whale targets have shifted a little bit. We had that 672, I think, last night, and then a 630. Now that's walked up to a 655 as a lower target and some support at 671. Jumping into our dark pools, largest on the ag is 671.64. That was, I think, 54.53 yesterday. So just walked up about 11 cents right there. And then our next largest is down at 662. So we'll keep an eye there. We'll continue to see if we continue to see this one grow as it goes along. Jumping into our gamma profile. So we're just shy of 671 in the AH session, overnight session, if you will. So we're sitting right here. Now, what we don't want to see tomorrow is a trap between 669 and 671 where we bounce between these two repel levels. What we prefer is a break over 671 into this positive gamma cluster up to 675, or a break of that 669 for some crazy downside to 660. Biggest pull is still down and to the left at 650. But it's pretty far away from price, so we're not going to worry about it quite yet unless we start to see a lot of bearish flow with convergence to take us on down. Now, let's jump into tomorrow and see what that brings for us. So tomorrow, 10/22, we are looking at a little bit of a different picture here. 672 and below, we see 666, so a decent trading range right there. And once again, what we don't want to see is us to get above 672 and then stay trapped in this $2 range right here between these two big goalposts. Preferably, we take a larger range, which would be the lower one. Not great for bulls, obviously, but we'll see how it pans out. Or we break the 674 with quite bullish flow and get up into the 675 range that we talked about on the ag. So that is what we are looking at. Keep an eye on our positives on both our daily and our ag and see where we pan out and what flow looks like. That is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.